Welcome to the sundial. This is the gnomon, which casts a shadow. It's about 2:20, and here it is. So the shadow moves across the dial. The earth turns under the sun every day. Now what's fun about the sundial is the time of year. This line here is June, May and July, April and August, March and September, February and October, January and November, and December. So if we follow December, we find that we're not quite at the end of December. The line actually represents December 21st, and that would be the very shortest day of the year, Northern Hemisphere, the longest shadow. If you come back on the 21st, the ball right there will follow that shadow all the way and actually leave the sundial just after 3 o'clock. And this shadow length change is amazing, and you really get a feeling for why we have the seasons. It's because it changes the height of the sun since we have a tilted axis. And in the Northern Hemisphere, when we are tilted away from the sun like we are now, and we're starting to get chilly for that reason, the Southern Hemisphere is tilted toward the sun and starting to warm up. One of the neatest lines here is this one, which goes from due east to due west. See, it's a straight line. That is the equinox, and that's March, end of March or the end of September. So if you spend some time with our sundial, you can not only tell time, but you begin to understand time. And that's kind of the magic of how we learned as humans to regulate our lives, because we learned to tell time. And sun time is the best time of all, because that's the way the plants work. That's the way life works. And the sundial tells the whole story. This brown line right here goes due north to due south. Why isn't that 12 o'clock? It should be, because we don't keep Houston time. We keep standard time, and standard time is on the meridian that goes through Memphis and New Orleans. So we are this much in time past New Orleans. The sundial is open every day, but most importantly, we're going to be here on December 21st. That is the winter solstice. We're going to see the longest shadow the sun can cast. We can watch the sun follow this longest path across the sky. And more importantly, we're going to have a party. December the 21st, a great time to be outside at the Houston Museum of Natural Science.